Hey guys, welcome. Today we'll learn what a CRM is and explore one of the best options. But first, let's meet the model of the day. Watch till the end to discover a motivational surprise. You've probably never used Salesforce, but chances are you've already been inside it. Every time you shop online, get an email from a company, or talk to customer support, Salesforce might be behind it. It's a $1 billion system that helps businesses make money. And today, I'll show you how it works. Salesforce runs in the background of almost every big company. It's a software that keeps track of who you are, what you bought, and when you might buy again. In short, it helps businesses never forget their customers, and that makes it insanely valuable. Salesforce is what's called a CRM, Customer Relationship Management. Think of it as a giant digital notebook that stores every customer detail, every call, email, and sale all in one place. So the next time you get a follow-up email from a brand, it's not luck, it's their CRM doing the work. Companies love Salesforce because it makes sales automatic. It sends reminders, creates reports, and keeps teams organized. And the best part, it helps them keep customers longer. The longer a customer stays, the more money a company makes. Simple math, powerful software. And here's the opportunity. People who know how to use Salesforce get paid very well. We're talking salaries from $70,000 to over $100,000 a year just for managing this system. Because when you help a company make money, you become very valuable. The crazy part? You can learn Salesforce for free. Their platform, called Trailhead, teaches everything step by step. No degree, no coding, just curiosity and consistency. Once you learn it, you can set up CRMs for small businesses, work as a freelancer, or even use the same systems to grow your own online business. This is one of those modern skills that can seriously upgrade your financial life. You stuck around. Gold star for you. Now let's sprinkle in some extra motivation.